Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm going to walk you through how to use GoalSeek in Excel, starting from a simple example and then moving into a more advanced real-world scenario involving multiple items. The goal is to understand not only how GoalSeek works, but also how we can extend its logic when Excel normally allows only one changing variable. Let's begin with a basic example. Imagine you are selling a product where you sell 5 units at a price of $2 each. The profit is calculated by multiplying these values, so 5 multiplied by 2 equals $10. Now let's say your target is to reach a profit of $15.35. To achieve this, you need to change either the number of units sold or the price per unit. In simple cases, you might be able to guess the correct value manually, but as the number becomes more complex, this approach becomes insufficient. This is where Excel GoalSeek features become useful. You go to the Data tab, click on What If Analysis, and then select GoalSeek. In the Setup window, you first choose the Set Cell, which is your result cell. Then you enter the target value, which is 1535. Finally, you select by changing cell, which is either unit sold or price. Once you press OK, Excel automatically calculates the exact value needed to reach your target. For example, it might show that you need to set the price to around 3.07 to achieve the desired profit. However, GoalSeek has an important limitation. It can only change one variable at a time. This becomes a problem when you are working with multiple products, each having different prices and quantities. In real business situations, you often need to adjust everything together rather than changing just one item. So single variable solution is not enough. To solve this problem, we can introduce a useful concept called an adjustment factor. This is where percentage becomes very important. We create a variable, for example 100%, and use it to adjust all prices at the same time. Each price is multiplied by this factor. It's important to know that we are not changing anything. It's 100%. It's actually equal to 1. This is because a percentage is just a fraction of 100, so 100% means 1 divided by 100, which equals 1. Using this idea, we apply the same adjustment factor to all items so that every price changes equally. Then we calculate each product's profit using these adjusted values and sum them to get the total profit. Now we can use GoalSeek again. We go to What If Analysis, open GoalSeek, set the total profit cell to 100 and choose the adjustment factor as the changing cell. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.